This is a quick video about the influencer selection export. So let's head over to Discover. Having made a search, we can select a number of influencers by using the checkbox next to their name. And clicking on the bottom arrow here, you can pull up the aggregated results. Now what you need to do here is make sure that you've analysed all of the accounts that you have in your selection. So if there's a number of analysed accounts that you do have, they'll be fine. If there are a couple that you haven't analysed yet, clicking on that button will analyse all of them. Now you can see here you have two options at the top right hand side. You can export to XLSX or you can export to PDF. So after choosing whether or not you want the influencer fees in the report, clicking yes will bring up the download file dialog box. And after a couple of seconds, your download will start. Simply click on the download, open the PDF, and as you can see, there's a summary of the entire portfolio that you selected with the number of influencers, the total reach, the total engagement, the likes, the comments, and the video views. And all of the information and statistics that you had on the platform is now available in the PDF.